Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wooden decor ideas that transforms homes' timeless warmth, style, sustainability. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces hold a timeless significance in home decor, offering a unique combination of personality, warmth, and eco-conscious charm that few other materials can match. And if you've ever dreamed of creating living spaces that feel authentic, inviting, and filled with character, wood remains the ultimate medium through which that dream comes alive, because unlike synthetic or mass-produced furnishings that often feel cold or impersonal, wood carries a natural soul within its grain, knots, and textures, telling stories of forests, time, and transformation. And when you incorporate wooden pieces into your home, whether it's a rustic dining table, a set of hand-carved side chairs, a sleek modern coffee table, or simple decorative accents like candle holders, picture frames, or shelves, you are not just filling empty space. You are weaving narrative threads that connect your life with the deeper rhythms of nature, reminding you daily that beauty and functionality can coexist with sustainability and meaning, for wood has the rare ability to balance tradition and innovation, bridging the gap between age-old craftsmanship and contemporary design, making it the go-to material for people who want decor that is both stylish and soulful. The significance of wood furniture lies not only in its functionality, but also in its emotional resonance, because every piece of wood carries a unique fingerprint of nature, ensuring that no two creations are ever alike. And this individuality allows homeowners to bring into their spaces items that feel personal, distinct, and irreplaceable, unlike plastic or metal items that often look identical. And this individuality feeds into the growing desire of modern homeowners to create environments that reflect their values, personalities, and aspirations, while embracing sustainability in their choices, because wood, especially when reclaimed or responsibly sourced, represents an eco-friendly path toward living beautifully without compromising the planet's future, which is why the popularity of wooden decorative pieces has skyrocketed in recent years, as people crave authenticity, connection, and warmth in a fast-paced, digital world where so much feels fleeting and temporary. And within this context, a handcrafted wooden sculpture, an upcycled timber coffee table, or even a simple set of wooden coasters becomes more than just decor. They become anchors of stability, grounding, and timelessness in the home. There is also a sensory richness to wood that enhances its role in home decor, for the touch of polished oak, the aroma of cedar, or the rustic imperfection of reclaimed pine all add layers of experience that synthetic materials cannot replicate. And these sensory elements invite people to interact with their environment in a more mindful way, encouraging a return to simplicity and appreciation for natural beauty. And this is why wooden furniture and decorative accents resonate so strongly in modern interior design. They not only serve functional purposes, but also cultivate emotional well-being by fostering spaces that feel natural, grounded, and alive. And when homeowners place a solid wooden dining table at the heart of their homes, it becomes more than just a surface for meals. It transforms into a gathering point for family, a stage for conversations, a witness to laughter, and a silent keeper of countless memories. And this emotional depth is what makes wood irreplaceable in the language of home decor. We hope you're enjoying today's video. If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. The eco-conscious charm of wood furniture and decorative pieces is equally significant, especially as the world shifts towards sustainability and mindful consumption for choosing wooden decor, particularly when sourced from reclaimed timber or sustainable forests, becomes a way of expressing not just style but values, demonstrating that beauty does not have to come at the expense of the environment. And many modern designers and homeowners embrace this philosophy by incorporating repurposed beams, old barnwood, or salvaged planks into fresh creations, turning what might once have been waste into stylish, functional, and profitable works of art, and in doing so, they breathe new life into forgotten materials while simultaneously reducing environmental impact, making wooden furniture and decor a testament to the possibility of living stylishly while staying eco-responsible. And for entrepreneurs and craft enthusiasts, this dual appeal of aesthetics and sustainability opens doors to thriving business opportunities in today's market, where buyers increasingly demand decor that tells a story, reflects authenticity, and aligns with eco-conscious values. Moreover, the versatility of wood in home decor contributes heavily to its significance, because whether one prefers sleek Scandinavian minimalism, bold contemporary lines, rustic farmhouse charm, or eclectic bohemian vibrancy, wood adapts beautifully to any style, able to be polished to perfection or left raw and natural, painted with vibrant hues or finished with subtle stains, carved into intricate forms or celebrated in its raw simplicity. And this adaptability ensures that wood remains a universal medium for expressing creativity, making it both timeless and modern at once. And when wooden decorative pieces are integrated thoughtfully into interiors, such as a reclaimed wood bookshelf in a minimalist loft, a hand-carved wooden lamp in a cozy reading corner, or a rustic wooden bench in a modern entryway, they infuse spaces with depth, texture, and personality that other materials cannot replicate, proving again why wood continues to dominate interior design trends across cultures and generations. Ultimately, the significance of wooden furniture and decorative accents in home decor rests on their ability to transform imagination into reality, because with a piece of wood and a spark of creativity, what was once a raw, unshaped material becomes a cherished piece of life, an heirloom, or even a profitable product that reflects both artistry and purpose. And this transformative power is why wood resonates not only with homeowners seeking warmth and personality, but also with creators and entrepreneurs eager to tap into markets that value sustainability, craftsmanship, and uniqueness. For every curve, grain, and nod in wood becomes an opportunity for storytelling, design, and meaning, and every crafted table, shelf, sculpture, or accessory becomes more than its function. It becomes a statement about how we choose to live, what we value, and how we connect with the world around us. In a world where homes are more than just shelters, but reflections of identity, aspirations, and lifestyle, wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces serve as the ultimate bridge between functionality and artistry, between sustainability and beauty, and between the personal and the universal, inviting us all to imagine, create, and live in spaces that are as inspiring as they are responsible. And if you've ever dreamed of bringing more personality, warmth, and eco-conscious charm into your living spaces, then embracing wood in your decor is not just an option, it is the most natural, timeless, and meaningful path forward. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden decor ideas that transforms home's timeless warmth, style, sustainability. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.